Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. In this video, we'll see class 8 rational numbers, exercise 1.2, question number 10. Let us read the question first. A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of dividing it by 4 by 3. What the student has to do, he is supposed to divide it. Instead of dividing, the correct answer is dividing. But what the student had done, he had multiplied it. And what happened, definitely he has supposed to divide, but he has multiplied. Definitely he will get a wrong answer. And what is the wrong answer? He got 70 more than the correct answer. Suppose if the correct answer is 10, he would have got 70 more than that, means 10 plus 70 is 80 he would have got. So he got 70 more than the correct answer. We have to find the number. So this is a statement problem. It's a word problem. First we'll write this expression like this. The previous sum, you can see question number 9. We'll write an expression, mathematical expression for that word problem. So it is a student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3. A number, we don't know what is that number, so let it be a dash. A number by 4 by 3. He had multiplied by 4 by 3. But what he should have done, instead of dividing means he should have divided. The correct method is division. But what he had done, wrongly he has multiplied. So what he should have done, he should have divided that number. We don't know the number. He should have divided that number by 4 by 3. Okay, he should have divided it by 4 by 3. But what he did, he had multiplied. So this is the wrong one he did, and this is the correct one. And when he did the wrong sum, when he multiplied, what is the answer he got? When he multiplied two numbers, the answer is the number into 4 by 3. And that answer is, instead of multiplying, he had divided. And what is the answer he got? 70 more than the correct answer. So this answer plus 70 more than the correct answer. When he multiplied, this is the correct answer. This number divided by 4 by 3, he should have divided. So this division is the correct sum. This is the correct answer. But what answer he got? 70 more than the correct answer. This division is the correct answer. And 70 more means correct answer plus 70. And when did he get this? When he multiplied a number by 4 by 3. So this is the expression, equation we got. Whenever you have equal to sign, this is an equation. So when a student, what did he do? He multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of dividing. And when he multiplied, he got a wrong answer. What is the wrong answer? 70 more than the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Division is the correct way of doing. So the correct answer, more than means plus 70. This is the answer he got when he wrongly multiplied a number by 4 by 3. Instead of dividing, by mistake, he multiplied by 4 by 3. Now we don't know this number. Now what shall we do? The number which we don't know, we'll take it as x into 4 by 3 we'll put. Okay, x, we don't know the number which you don't know, we'll take it as x is equal to, and the same number here also, the same number only he multiplied instead of dividing. So x divided by 4 by 3 plus 70. Now this we are going to solve and get the value of x. Okay, now we got an equation. Easily we can solve the sum. So now we got an equation, we'll solve it. How to solve? First, multiply x into 4 is nothing but 4 into x is 4x. We studied in algebra in the previous classes. 4 into x is 4 by 3 into x is 4 by 3x. We can write it like this. For example, if you have 5 into x, it is 5x. 7 into a, 7a. 7 into a, or minus 7 into a, it is minus 7a. Usually we take out the multiplication sign just to avoid confusion between into and x. So we leave out the negative sign. 4 into x is 4x is equal to, and look at the right hand side, we have division and addition. What has to be done first? According to BIDMAS rule, when you have more than two operations, division, we have division and addition, which has to be done first? Division. So we should divide x and 4 by 3 first. So what is the rule of division? First, in rational number as it is, change division into multiplication. 4 by 3 becomes, write the reciprocal of the second rational number. 4 by 3 is 3 by 4 plus 70 as it is. So only one operation in one step. So here we multiplied left hand side, right hand side, just change division into multiplication. Now we'll multiply them. Keep this 4x by 3 as it is, equal to, as we multiplied 4 into x, 4x by 3, here 3 into x is 3x and the denominator is 4 plus 70. Now what is the solving of equation? We have to, x is only unknown. We have to find the value of x. Bring all the unknowns to the one side. So what shall we do? 4x by 3. This is the x term. It is on the left hand side. 3x by 3 is also a x term. Bring all the x terms to one side. We'll bring it to the left hand side. So when you change the side, what happens? Plus becomes minus. Plus 3x by 4 becomes minus 3x by 4 equal to what is left here? 70. Now it is just like adding or subtracting of two rational numbers only, and the for subtraction denominators must be same. So 3 and 4 different denominators, we have to find LCM for 3 and 4. Do they have a common factor? No common factor, so multiply them. 3 4s are 12 is our LCM. So from 3, how did we change 3 into 12? 3 4s are 12. 3 is multiplied by 4. Multiply numerator also by 4. Again, just multiply the numbers and put this x. 4 4s are 16x. Then 4 is multiplied by what number to get 12? 4 into 3. So denominator is already multiplied by 3 and we have written here. So we have to multiply only the numerator. 3 3s are this minus 3 3s are 9x is equal to 70. Okay, what is the next step? Both are like terms. 16x minus 9x. And in algebra, we have studied only like terms can be added or subtracted. What are like terms? This variable, this letters must be same. 16x minus 9x. It is like 16 oranges minus 9 oranges. Okay. So 16 minus 9 is 7x by 12 is equal to 70. Now we have to find the value of x. Keep only x on the left hand side. Move the rest of the numbers to the right hand side. So what is on the right hand side? 70 as it is. Now as we in the previous step, as we changed plus 3 by x, we have changed into minus 3 by x. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication when you change a number from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side. Now 7 by 12, it becomes the, if you have a rational number, it becomes the reciprocal because the denominator is division. It will go to the numerator as multiplication. And numerator multiplication, it comes to the denominator as division. So 7 by 12 becomes into 12 by 7. The rational number, you can take 7 by 12 as it is to the right hand side. So when you change the rational number from left hand side to right hand side, we have to write its reciprocal. That is 7 by 12 is 12 by 7. Now it is just like multiplication of rational numbers. 70, how to make it as rational number? By 1. Now cancelling 7 and 70. Yes, by 7 tables. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7 and 0 10. That's all. New denominators are 1 and 1. There is nothing to cancel. So multiply both the numerators. Both are positive. 10 into 12 is 120 divided by 1 ones are 1. So the x is 120. So the number which has to be multiplied is what? We are supposed to find the number to be, what is the number? A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of dividing. So it is, what is that number? Find the number. Question is find the number only. Find the number. The number she had multiplied is 120. Now we'll move on to question number 11 with their objective type questions. It is, the first one is the standard form of the sum 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 12 is, even though 4 options are given, it is objective type. We cannot write the answer directly. We have to simplify this, find LCM, simplify, then only we can choose the answer. As we did in the exercise sums, same way we have to do this also. So we'll take the question 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 7 by 12. So what has to be done first? First is bracket. We have to remove the bracket. So what to do with other numbers? Write as it is. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. And how to remove the bracket? Yes, bracket means it's multiplication. plus into minus, minus 7 by 12. So that's all, the bracket is removed. Now it is only addition and subtraction. So what to do for addition and subtraction? We want the LCM because the denominators are different. So we'll find LCM for the denominators. What are the denominators? 4, 6 and 12. So all the three numbers are even numbers. See, ending with 4, 6 and 2. What are even numbers? Just to recall, numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. So it is ending with 4, 6, 2. All the three numbers are even numbers, and we know all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Any even number you take, it is divisible by 2. So till 2 tables, till you get 4, 2 2s are 4, comma, 6 till 6 comes, 2 3s are 6. And in 12, yes, 2 6 are 12. Now look at this, 2, 3 and 6. 2 and 6 are even numbers. So we can divide 2. All the 3 don't have a common factor. Because 3 is odd number, it doesn't come in 2 tables. So you can take 2 and 6 by 2 tables. Or what is the other way? You can take 3 and 6 by 3 tables. Anyhow, however you take, we will be getting the same answer. So I'll take 2 and 6. Both are even numbers. Divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Now 3, can we divide by 2? It is an odd number. No, we cannot divide. So when we cannot divide, write that 3 as it is down. Then 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. Now 3 and 3. Both come in which table? Yes, 3 tables. So can we divide 1 by 3? No. What to do? Write 1 as it is. Then 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. That's all. Division is over. Now how to find LCM? Multiply all the numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. Just because multiplying by 1 gives the same answer. So leave out the ones and multiply the other numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So what is our LCM? LCM is 12. What's the next step? We have to put the common denominator 12. And change the rational numbers one by one. Instead of 4, 6 and 12, we have written 12. So we have to make the same changes on the numerator also. So 4 into what is 12? 4 3s, if we tell 4 tables itself, we get 4 3s are 12. Denominator is multiplied by 2. So 3. Multiply numerator also by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then what is the operation? Plus. 6 tables. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12. So denominator we have multiplied by 2. Instead of 6 we have written 12. So multiply numerator also by 2. It is 10. Then what is the sign? Minus 12 as it is. So 12 ones are 12, 7 ones are 7. Now we have three numbers, plus and minus. So what do we do? Even if you use BIDMAS also, addition and then only subtraction. So what numbers can be added? Only same signs. We should add the same signs. Add all the positive numbers. Which are positive? 9 is positive, 10 is positive. So 10 plus 9 is 19. Then add all the negative numbers. How many negative numbers are here? There is only one negative number. Put minus 7 divided by 12. So what is 19 minus 7? It is 12 by 12. So what is 12 by 12 now? That is, if you divide a number by itself, the answer is 1. Or 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. Answer is 1. So for question number 11, which is the correct option? Option A gives us 1. This is the correct option. Now look at the 12th sum. 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2 is equal to. So even we have to do within the brackets. Within the bracket, what do you have? Subtraction. Subtract them and then add with 1 by 2. Again, the denominators are different. It is addition and subtraction. So what we have to find? We have to find LCM and simplify. Come on, let's see. So we'll start inside the bracket first. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? It is LCM for 4 and 8. It is both are divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. And 1 and 2 they don't have a common factor. Stop the sum. 4 twos are 8 is the LCM. So what is the LCM? Is 8. Now what is it for 4 and 8? LCM is 8. 4 is multiplied by what number? 2. Multiply numerator also by 2. 3 twos are 6 minus 8 into what gives 8? 8 ones are 8. Multiply numerator also by 1. So it is 5. Bracket is not yet removed. Plus, what is the next number we have? 1 by 2. Now within the bracket, what is 6 minus 5? It is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2. And what is the LCM for this? 8 and 2? Let us find LCM for 8 and 2. Both come in two tables. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. So 4 and 1, no common factor. Division is over. 2 fours are 8. So again LCM is 8. So that is a common denominator is 8. So how many times 8 goes in? 8 divided by 8 is 1. So multiply numerator also by 1. Plus 2 into what is 8? 2 fours are 8. Multiply numerator also by 4. 4 ones are 4. So what happens here? 1 plus 4 is 5 by 8. Do they have a common factor to cancel? No common factor, and it is a proper fraction. Numerator is less, denominator is greater, and 5 by 8 is the answer. So for question number 12, option C gives the 5 by 8. 5 by 8, option C is the correct answer. See, for the same sum, I'll tell you another method also. It can be still easier than the previous what we did, because anyway we have to do within the brackets only. But within the brackets, if it is multiplication or division, then after completing the bracket only, we have to go outside the bracket. Since, and suppose if here outside also, if it is multiplication or division, if there is a bracket, then we have to do this without removing the bracket, without doing the operation inside the bracket. We cannot do the outside operation. But here it is only addition and subtraction. So actually they can be combined. Addition, when you have only addition and subtraction, we can do the operation from left to right. That means the first, whatever you have, first operation can be done first and second operation can be done second. Operation means addition and subtraction, multiplication, division. So when you have only plus and minus, it can be written like this also. There is one more way of doing. 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Just remove the bracket without simplifying this. Plus 1 by 2. It can be taken like this also when there is only addition and subtraction together. Now what can be done? We can find the LCM 4, 8 and 2 together at a time. 4, 8 to find the LCM of all the three numbers and do it. So in the previous, what the method we did within the bracket first, we found LCM for 2 times. First with the first 2 numbers, then that answer with the third number. If you take it like this, you find LCM for all the 3 numbers together and it can be simplified. So it can be done like this also. This can be done only when you have addition and subtraction. Suppose if inside the bracket, if it is multiplication, or here it is multiplication or division, this method cannot be done. That is why I just taught the same way. Whatever operation comes, bracket should be first. We have done in the correct procedure, but in simplified form, it can be done like this also. Okay. Thank you for watching. We'll see the other sums in the next video. Thank you.